Well, here's everything that I will be using today for this recipe. Green onion, garlic, gochujang, cornstarch or corn flour, gochujang. This one in a glass jar. Never had this before. Super excited to try. Light soy sauce. So how about we make a marinade? Garlic, the onion, I'm just going to use, white parts, save the green for garnish. Roots must go. As for garlic, I will use garlic press. Gochujang. Here's a tablespoon for reference. Light soy sauce. Gochujang. Hot pepper flakes, 2 tablespoons. And we mix. Beautiful. Normally for Korean ribs they're cut a lot thinner, but I don't have that, so I have these short ribs. That's fine. Make sure to cut against the bone. Also, silver skin, I never remove it. In my opinion, that's just a waste of food. Should be able to see the bone like this. Marinating sauce going in. Save some. Cornstarch is a great meat tenderizer, plus it will allow the sauce to stick to the meat. Sesame oil. Get your clean hands right in there. There you go. I'm just going to let them come up to room temperature and cook in the oven. Now I understand that oven may not be accessible to everyone. You can always, pan fry these. That's fine. What I will do is I will preheat oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. The remainder of this marinade is going to become our basting sauce. To that, add honey. Couple tablespoons. Mix. Good. I have a pan here with parchment paper and just lay the ribs on here. Into the oven they go for first 15 minutes. The basting sauce that we made with honey. Okay, so let's just give it a quick mix and apply. Well, that was just enough. In they go, another 15 minutes. Look at that. Beautiful. Wow! To check for doneness, take a chopstick and poke into a meat. Wow. Super tender.